Welcome to the Sales Performance Insights podcast, where we challenge old thinking, we talk shop about sales leaderships, and we help build sales systems that scale. I'm your host, Frank Gustafson, and today we're going to talk about a simple but powerful message for you, and that is, don't ask lion hunters to run the zoo. If you're a B2B sales team, especially one with both internal business developers and external relationship managers, this episode is for you. Let's talk about why trying to make everybody do everything is killing your growth and how to fix it. So, what is the core problem? It could be blurred roles in your pipeline. Let's start with a real world picture. Imagine that you've got a business development rep, someone who thrives on hunting. They book meetings. They're working outbound leads. They're staying sharp and focused. And now imagine mid-quarter, you pull them into a service issue with an existing client. Then you've got them hand-holding with a lukewarm account that may grow someday, maybe. Suddenly they're not hunting anymore. Or maybe it's the other way around. You've got a relationship manager, the builder who loves solving client problems and adding value is now expected to cold call, lapsed accounts, or chase new logos. What happens? Well, new opportunities get ignored, existing relationships get shallow, and both people, your hunter and your builder, get frustrated doing work that they don't love. Does this sound familiar? Hey, let's talk about what to do here. And I'm going to title this, Divide and Dominate, and use the K.A.R.E model. Here's the big idea. Divide and dominate. Let your hunters hunt, let your builders build, and consider a simple way maybe to structure your account model using K.A.R.E. And that is K-A-R-E, a K.A.R.E model. So K equals keep. Those are your low risk, loyal customers. You just got to keep them happy. A is attain. These are new opportunities. These are new logos that your hunters are going after. R is recapture. These are lapsed accounts that you want to win back. And then E is expand. These are high potential existing clients, and you want to add more value and grow the account. Your business development team owns attain and recapture, and your relationship management team owns keep and expand. And look, might sound like semantics, but it's not. It's strategy. This model keeps everyone in their lane, no surprises, no guessing whose job it is, no accidental handoffs. Let's talk about role clarity, and we're going to talk about role clarity in writing, not just in theory. Let's get practical. What does each role really do? Well, business development reps are opportunity creators. They live in the world of new business. Their scorecard is pipeline volume, meetings, new opportunities created, closed deals. Their mindset is assertive, outbound, competitive. Relationship managers are value builders. They own retention. They own satisfaction and expansion. Their KPIs are retention rates. Maybe it's NPS scores. Maybe it's upsell renewals. Their mindset is consultative, empathetic, and proactive. And here's the kicker. These roles should not overlap. Get this in writing, share it with your team, and then revisit quarterly at a minimum. So we talk about handoffs done right. The handoff is where most teams blow it. This isn't a relay race where the business development rep drops the baton and walks away. It's more like synchronized swimming. What does a good handoff look like? It's a live transition meeting with the client using both parties, the business development team and the relationship management team or rep on either side. It's a recap of everything that's been agreed to. Hopefully it's coming straight from the CRM. It's an introduction to the relationship manager and setting clear next steps. It's also giving reassurance that the original rep is still around, but they've shifted their focus. It's smooth, it's respectful, and it keeps the client from feeling abandoned. Here's a tricky subject, aligning compensation. Look, pay for what you want. People do what they get paid to do. If you want a rep hunting, compensate them for attain and recapture, going after new logos, competitive wins, market penetration. If you want your rep focused, on deepening value, reward them for keep and expand. Retention, that's upsells, that's client satisfaction scores. You can introduce shared KPIs, which is great. Shared KPIs where collaboration matters. Just remember, alignment matters more than complexity. You've got to keep it simple. Let's talk about creating a feedback loop. So now that you've separated the roles, smooth the handoff, don't stop here, right? Establish a regular rhythm. So have your business development people talking to your relationship management people in these monthly reviews. And then quarterly, have your relationship management people give your business development folks feedback. Why? Because the market changes, clients evolve, and your team needs to stay in sync. Also, use a shared CRM. Make sure that it's visible to both parties. This reduces guesswork and helps you to identify any cross-sell or re-engagement opportunities early, faster. You've got to equip your people. Playbooks matter. You can't just tell people what you want them to do. You've got to equip them. Your business development team needs prospecting tools. They need scripts, talk tracks, questions, battle cards, stall and objection cheat sheets, deal coaching, including deal advancement. They need KPI dashboards. Your relationship management team needs product depth, onboarding checklists, strategic customer care frameworks, and account growth tools. Train both sides, coach both sides, track the right behaviors, not just the results. Now we've got to set some guard rules for collaboration. Sometimes the relationship rep needs the development rep to re-engage. And sometimes the development rep needs the relationship to throw some red flags, maybe where there's some risk. So define when and how that happens. Do joint account reviews. Set trigger points for re-engagement. Create risk protocols. Map this all out, build the guardrails, and then keep collaboration clean and consistent. Ultimately, we've got to celebrate the wins on both sides. This helps us create a positive sales culture. Look, sales culture loves to worship the hunter, but the builders are the ones that drive lifetime value. So you've got to celebrate both. Share relationship management wins in your team meetings. Maybe create some relationship awards and include them in your planning sessions. When both sides feel valued, performance goes up and politics goes down. So let me kind of wrap this up. We've got to design a system and then get out of the way. And here's your takeaway. Design the system, get out of the way, let your people focus, give them the tools they need, respect their roles, align everything, including their goals, their incentive, their training, and their communication. Because when you do that, hunters will hunt, builders will build, your pipeline stays full, your clients stay loyal, and growth becomes predictable. My challenge for you, fix the friction first. So I'll leave you with this. What is one place where your business developer is getting pulled into client services? And what is one place where your relationship managers are being asked to sell? Fix those first, then build relationships from there. Hey, thanks for listening to the Sales Performance Insights podcast today. If today's episode helped you think differently about structuring your sales team, share this with a colleague or a sales leader that you respect. And if you want help mapping out your own model or building the tools or coaching to make it all run, hey, connect with me on LinkedIn. And hey, please hit us with a 5-star rating and leave a comment. Then share this podcast with someone that you care about. Then keep leading, keep growing, and keep building sales systems that actually work. And one last word, nobody ever got fired for improving sales performance. See you again soon.